Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 29 September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here doesn't represent our opinions. It's just a reflection of news items in public media. In an unexpected twist, Cards Against Humanity has filed a lawsuit against Elon Musk's SpaceX, seeking $15 million in damages. The game company claims that SpaceX has been using their land as a dumping ground for construction debris without permission. This land was originally purchased in 2017 by Cards Against Humanity with the help of 150,000 fans to block the construction of a border wall. The lawsuit, while framed as a publicity stunt, aims to shed light on the aggressive tactics often employed by wealthy tech figures like Musk. The cheeky website ElonOwesYou$100.com humorously suggests that Musk could pay the damages in Twitter stock, reflecting the platform's declining value. Cards Against Humanity is committed to distributing any winnings to the fans who funded the land purchase. This legal action has sparked social media engagement, encouraging users to tweet at Musk about the land deal, potentially increasing public scrutiny of his business practices. In another legal battle, Elon Musk has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI and Sam Altman. This comes after a recently surfaced email exchange from June 2015, where Altman outlined his vision for an AI lab to Musk. Altman emphasized creating a general AI focused on individual empowerment and safety, proposing a small team and a governance structure involving Musk. However, Musk's lawsuit accuses OpenAI and Altman of prioritizing profits over the public good, particularly criticizing their partnership with Microsoft. Musk claims this partnership has turned OpenAI into a closed-source de facto subsidiary of the tech giant. This legal action has reignited discussions about the ethical implications of AI development and the responsibilities of tech organizations. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.